These tricks will ensure your towels are never rough again, and you'll use them more often than you think. Your laundry will feel softer and more pleasant than ever. Prepare your towels as usual by placing them in the washing machine. Then pour 250 milliliters of vinegar into the detergent and fabric softener compartment. You don't need to add any other detergent or softener. A single wash with vinegar will remove residue, limescale, and leftover detergents that make towels rough and less absorbent. From now on, towels washed this way will be as soft and fluffy as new. Hang freshly washed towels properly, as this is crucial for maintaining their condition and reducing drying time. After removing them from the washing machine, shake the towels to loosen the fibers and reduce creases. Ensure they are fully unfolded to maximize their drying surface. Dry them in a well-ventilated place, ideally outdoors, or in a breezy room. Airflow softens the towels and prevents stiffness. Avoid drying towels in areas with poor air circulation, as this can lead to mildew and unpleasant odors. Using too much detergent is a common mistake that can make towels rough. The amount of detergent significantly impacts the softness of your laundry. Excess detergent can build up on towel fibers, leaving them stiff. Soaking towels in water with vinegar before washing can bring many benefits, such as softening fibers, removing musty odors, and eliminating detergent residue and limescale. Regularly soaking towels in vinegar will keep them perfectly soft. If your towels feel rough after washing, pay attention to one important detail next time. When loading towels into the washing machine, make sure to leave some space. About 1/5 of the drum should remain empty. Overloading the machine can cause uneven detergent distribution. Always use the amount of detergent recommended on the packaging. The right amount makes a big difference in the quality of your towels. Following these tips will ensure your towels are perfectly soft after every wash. This trick with a dishwasher towel will dry wet dishes in just 5 minutes, and without any wiping. Do you ever find that your dishwasher doesn't dry the dishes? What do you do when you want to take out plates, bowls, cups, and containers, but they're still wet? I used to take a towel and dry such dishes by hand. It took a lot of time, but I didn't like the water streaks it left behind. This problem often occurs with plastic containers. Plastic dishes don't retain heat, so they dry more slowly. You often take them out of the dish, washer still wet. Sometimes even regular dishes or cups are wet. However, there is a way to ensure that dishes, including plastic ones, are dry. You won't see a single drop of water on them anymore. The problem will disappear in just a few minutes. All you need is a towel, or even two. But you won't be wiping the dishes with them at all. The towel will do all the work for you. After a while, the dishes will be dry. Just use a regular dish towel. When the dishwasher finishes its cycle, pass it through the dishwasher door and close it. The dry towel will absorb all the moisture from the dishwasher. You can hang even 2 towels through the dishwasher door. The effect will be 100%. A small terry towel will also work very well. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry. A white towel can help protect you from ticks. These tiny arachnids are becoming an increasingly common problem, not only in forests, but also in gardens, on allotments, and in parks. Take a broom and unscrew the handle. Then wrap a white terry towel around the stick. Terry cloth has a soft, fluffy texture that ticks easily cling to. The white color makes them easy to spot. Secure everything with rubber bands to keep it in place. Use the stick to sweep over grass, bushes, and shady areas. Ticks live at heights between 8 and 28 inches and will attach to the fabric if present. Repeat the process a few times to improve accuracy. The test works best when the temperature is between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit and the weather is dry. A quick way to make sure your garden is safe. I add this to my laundry, and my towels come out soft as a cloud. It's the same trick used in the best spa resorts. Rough towels can easily take away the joy of a relaxing bath, but you don't need to spend money replacing them. Just a few simple home methods will bring back their softness. Remember to wash towels at about 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and for heavier dirt, you can go up to 140. Use liquid detergent instead of powder, which can build up between the fibers and make them stiff. An even better solution is a cup of vinegar mixed with a few drops of oil. I'll tell you which one in a moment. Pour this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. It will disinfect and refresh the towels. You can also mix a few drops of the oil with baking soda and add it directly to the drum. The simplest way is to add a few drops straight into the drum. It gives your towels a fresh, natural scent and has antibacterial properties. The oil refreshes, removes bacteria, and leaves no residue on the fibers. The whole secret lies in eucalyptus oil. It costs next to nothing, but the effect of soft, spa-like towels is absolutely priceless. This trick always impresses guests. Fold both ends toward the center, roughly halfway in. Now fold the bottom part of the towel inward, leaving a small, extra flap at the edge. Tuck the end underneath. Next, gently pull the fabric out on one side, and then the other to create wings. Finally, pull out the extra flap at the top and shape it into a collar. Now, grab a small hand towel. Fold both corners toward the center. Then fold one corner in again and do the same on the other side until you get a long strip. Tie a small knot at the top. It'll look just like a real tie. Place it in the middle of your towel shirt. Done. Set it in the bathroom or on a shelf, ready for your guests. This towel shirt with a tie looks like a classy decoration straight out of a luxury hotel. It instantly catches the eye, and every guest will love it. A regular washing machine can dry your laundry too. Every machine has this function, and your clothes can come out just as dry as from a dryer. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time. No need to set up a drying rack that takes up space in your room. You'll save time and effort. How is this possible? It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. After washing, don't take them out immediately. Instead, add a fluffy towel to the drum. If there's enough space, add two. Then run the spin cycle at the highest speed. The dry towels will absorb the moisture from your clothes. By the end of the cycle, your laundry will feel like it came straight from a dryer. For even better results, set the highest spin speed during the wash cycle. A final spin with dry towels will make drying even more effective. Rub some oil into your knee. Then, take a kitchen towel and heat it up with an iron. Massage the oil thoroughly into your skin, then wrap your knee with the warm towel. It's a real relief for tired, aching joints. With regular use, it can significantly reduce pain and improve your everyday mobility. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning.